Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix the Minecraft error code 34. Something went wrong while downloading files. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. Usually this error occurs due to poor or unstable internet connection or corrupted Minecraft cache files, routed launcher, or incorrect Microsoft account or store link, or firewall or antivirus blocking the launcher. So our first step is to check internet connection. Here what we are going to do is we are going to restart the network. So for that you need to enter into your network and internet, scroll down, you may see advanced network settings. Over there you need to find network reset, and you can reset your network, or else you need to check your Wi-Fi or internet connection. Just pull out and pull in your plug and check whether the Wi-Fi is running properly or not, you had better connection or not. So here you need to click yes to reset the network, and we need to check the VPN and proxy. If you are not connected to VPN, it's good to go. If in case you are connected to VPN, please change the VPN or disconnect it and check whether the VPN issue is solved or not, or else you can need to check the proxy. So for that you need to enter into your settings. Over settings you need to find network and internet. Over there you need to scroll down, you may see the proxy, and then please disable the proxy, both as like please disable the proxy and as well as the VPN if you are using. So once you disable, please save and close it. So our second step is to run Minecraft launcher as an administrator. So for that you need to search for Minecraft and you need to open the file location, or else you can search the Minecraft on your file manager and you can enter into the property and you can enable your program as a run as administrator mode. So that's it guys, and our next step is to clear the cache file. So for that you need to press Windows R and type %app data %. Over there find .minecraft. Over here you need to clear web cache and log files. So please clear all the things what is shown on the video. Please delete it. So our fourth step is to sign out and sign in the Minecraft as well as the Xbox. If you are using Xbox, please sign out that too and sign in again. Here we are going to sign out our Minecraft. Just tab your profile and please click logout. Yeah, once it's done, you need to do the same for Xbox too if you are using Xbox. Once it's done, please close it. So our fifth step is to check the permission or file access issues. So here what we are going to do is we are going into the Windows security. Over that we are disabling the security defender, and we need to check whether the Minecraft is running or not. If it's running, it's good to go. If not, please enable that what you disabled, and also you can enter into the firewall and check whether you can enable the public and private. Maybe you can see that too. And our sixth step is to reset Microsoft Store. For that we need to type wsreset.exe and hit enter. Once you hit enter, it's automatically open the Microsoft and it will reset. You don't need to do anything, it's automatically reset. So that's it guys, Please check whether the problem is solved or not. If not, you need to do the last step as uninstall and reinstall your Minecraft again to continue the good gameplay. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube. Don't forget to restart your PC. Bye bye.